So what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making an Oreo pudding pie. My grandma, yeah, and I'm gonna be telling you ingredients you need. Okay, of course you need an Oreo pie crust. You need 5 Oreos cut in half. You need 2 of these. This is the cookies and cream Oreo pudding pie. I mean, well, it ain't gotta be for pie, but like the pudding mix. You need some Cool Whip, measuring cups, and some milk, and of course a bowl and a spoon to mix it in. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just going to dump this in here first. Okay, so now it says put half of the Cool Whip in there, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2.5 cups of milk in there. My cup goes to 2, so then after I get done filling it up with 2, then I'm gonna go to this half part right here, and it'll be 2.5. After you get done mixing it, okay, we're just going to pour it in there carefully. Okay, so now we're going to refrigerate this for 4 hours or until firm, and then we're going to do the next steps the next morning. So that's the next day. I'm putting the rest of, not all of the Cool Whip, just because I didn't want a thick layer, but I'm putting a little on top. And then I'm going to put my 5 cut in half Oreos on top, as you can see. So there's the pie, y'all. There's the pie. We about to cut it. Everybody about to get a taste. You good? 1 to 10.
Good, 10. 11.
So I'm going your party, but oh, there you are.
This is the bone.
Rate it 1 through 10.
10.
Okay, so now my reaction.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Do you want to play duo?
I like it. So if you guys like this recipe, like and subscribe and comment down more what you want from me, and peace out.